I'm William Bradley with Bradley Touch, and this is what we do. Here we have a home that was destroyed in the storm of 2020. We had to completely gut the entire home out and put it back together. We have new drywall, new floors, new walls, new doors, and the entire thing. New kitchen. Just a regular kitchen with laminate countertops up top. Per the customer, is what the customer wanted, what was requested. Everything is made to the customer's specs. The top floor of this house, it's actually a 2-story home, and the top floor of the house is 1,700 square feet. It has 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms up top. Through here, they have just a sitting area, then a master bedroom with a master bath. Inside of the master bathroom, you have double sinks, enough lighting for someone. You have a custom tile shower, a glass shower, custom closet with pocket doors per the customer specifications. Here's just the hallway leading to the regular bath, the guest bath. From during the storm on this particular home, this house was destroyed from this point back. Everything from here back was gone in the storm, and everything is brand new. Walls, floors, everything. You could actually see daylight from here to the beginning. From here, we're leading down to the second part of the house, which is downstairs. We actually installed new steps, a new rail. And they have it as 2 completely separate units. So they actually went with a different color down here at the downstairs. So you have a few bedrooms. You have 3 bedrooms down here. 3 bedrooms. This is luxury vinyl flooring that's on the floor. They decided to go with the master bathroom off to itself, standalone, but it's a double vanity with granite tops. Still have the luxury vinyl flooring inside of that bathroom also. Custom lighting through the house, recessed lighting. It's the new thing. A lot of recessed lighting in this home. You come down the hall, they come into this room. They're going to use it as a dining room, sitting area. Through here, they have a new kitchen. Down in this particular kitchen, they wanted something different here, so they got a custom tile backsplash with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances here. I guess I forgot to mention the pocket door, the barn door, I'm sorry. It was put up here, easy, very sturdy, stable. Have the barn door with quiet close on it. Grabs it, closes it quietly. You don't have to worry about it slamming. Have a small bathroom there. Through here is just another bedroom. It's pretty much finished. They still have some items in here that they haven't decided exactly where they want to place it, but we have leftover paint for touch-ups. And last but not least, they have a closet back here with custom shelves. Only thing that's left there is just the clothes racks. This house here, actually, they added more custom grates. They did have a problem with leaking at this house, so we added a grate in so they didn't have to worry about water drainage problems here anymore. The steps were the original steps. They wanted to try to keep some things that were from the original home. The home has been here for years, over 100 years, and so we had to leave something here from the original. Over here, we actually poured a new concrete slab. The original slab wasn't draining properly, and they had issues that every time it rained, water actually ran back into their basement area. So we poured a new concrete slab, redone their steps. They were thrilled with it. We still use the same stone that they had in their family for generations, and it's here. And I guess this will conclude this home this time. So if you would like to know more about us, or you would like to get in contact with us, we have a Facebook page. It's called The Bradley Touch, or you can get in touch with us and check out the YouTube channel at The Bradley Touch. And so if you have something that you would like to do, or a plan that you would like to build, just give us a call. We'll give you a price on it, estimate, set up a time, and see if this works for you. Well, this concludes this house. We're done. Until the next one, see you later.